Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Suresh. Welcome to Holistic Heart Nutrition video tutorials. So I am planning this video tutorial as 3 sessions. So on session 1 or rather day 1, we'll be talking about functional anatomy of heart and blood vessels, physiology of blood, heart and vasculature, and pathogenesis of heart disease, ischemic heart disease, heart failure, both right and left, conduction defects, congenital anomalies, and hypertension. And the second session will be on a role of diet and lifestyle as risk factors for heart disease and hypertension, making a case sheet for cardiac patient. So taking history, his physical parameters like anthropometry, body composition, psychological, emotional, and intellectual profile of the patient. What is the information that we need to collect when we are planning a diet for the patient? And finally, planning a diet and lifestyle modification for heart and hypertensive patients. On day 3 or session 3, we'll be talking about the most important aspect, a holistic approach to a heart patient. So the role of thoughts and emotions in the causation of heart diseases and hypertension are discussed. Do's and don'ts of educating a heart patient, planning an emotional nutrition therapy, and finally suggested in reading. So introduction to the biology of belief by Dr. Bruce Lipton and the love medicine and miracles by Dr. Bernie Siegel. So this will be the holistic heart nutrition 3-day or 3-hour video tutorials. To give you a sample of how it is going to be, let's briefly discuss about the pathogenesis of ischemic heart disease. So when a person takes food that is rich in fat and cholesterol, mind you, fat and cholesterol both are different, they are not same. Fat means triglyceride here. They are carried by a lipoprotein because fat and cholesterol are lipids. They don't dissolve in blood, which is 90% water. So they need a protein plus lipid, that is lipoprotein like LDL, which collects this fat and cholesterol and carries in the bloodstream. So this fat and cholesterol are delivered to the cells. The houses here represent the cells in our body, and when you consume more fat than you require, fat stores it in adipose tissue. Here we can see neatly cartoned packed cartons. And cholesterol, when consumed in excess, the cells they discard it onto the blood vessel. Blood vessel here is represented by a black rod. So what will we also have another lipoprotein in our body, which is called HDL, high density lipoprotein, which clears away the cholesterol. So when you have sufficient or good quantity of HDL in your body, your blood vessels are clean, they are cleared away by HDL, and your fat is at a minimal level. Now, when we are young and active, our roads are very clean, which means our blood vessels are not littered by this excess cholesterol, and we have little amount of fat. But if you don't watch out for the kind of food we are eating over a period of time, this is how we will look like. The cells, most of our cells are replaced by this, or displaced rather, by adipose tissue, and the blood vessel is completely littered with cholesterol. So this is how the physical representation looks like. So whenever we have a block of, because of this excess fat and cholesterol in a blood vessel that is supplying heart, which is called coronary artery, the area distal to that block will not receive oxygen and food, and this leads to myocardial infarction, or commonly known as heart attack. So this is how it is going to be more descriptive, clear, and easy to understand manner. The session is for 3 hours. If you can sign up for all 3 sessions, or you can go by one session at a time. So this is you need to go to this link, and immediately a window will pop up, and if you want to sign up for all 3 sessions, it will be only 1,000 rupees. And if you want to go for only one session now, you can use the discount code ONEHEART, only this one. So immediately there will be a 500 discount, and you will be signed up for one session. So this is not a typical webinar wherein you have to be on the system for on that time, which may not be possible. So this is like a YouTube live event wherein just you'll be getting access to this video tutorial in our YouTube channel, and it is a private tutorial. You can play it n number of times, unlike a classic webinar where you cannot replay it. So this will be your video tutorial for live. So you don't have to be physically present there. All you need to do is register for the event, and then you can play it at your convenient time. So starting on this Tuesday, that is 13th of May, we are going live with this video tutorial. So looking forward to see you all and make best use of this. So people who want to upgrade their skills, know about more about heart disease and rest of the clinical nutrition part. So we are doing a series of lectures on this. So keep posted and happy learning to you all. Thank you.